Hello friends, Dr. Chaturvedi with second part of parts of speech, pronoun. नाउन, अभी इसके पहले नाउन और उसके पार्ट्स खत्म किया गया है। सेकेंड पार्ट है इसका प्रोनाउन। प्रोनाउन इज डिफाइंड एज इट इज यूज इन प्लेस ऑफ नाउन। संज्ञा के बदले में प्रयोग किए जाने वाले शब्द को सर्वनाम कहते हैं। नाउ क्वेश्चन arises here, how it is used in place of noun and what are the different conditions in which it is used in place of noun. Because in English literature, frequent repetition of the same word is strictly prohibited. किसी एक शब्द जैसे किसी एक नाउन का बार बार किसी रिटन डॉक्यूमेंटेशन में प्रयोग करना वर्जित है, तो उसके जगह पर हम प्रोनाउन का प्रयोग करते हैं। प्रोनाउन को हिंदी में सर्वनाम कहते हैं। अब सवाल ये उठता है, प्रोनाउन के बारे में यह भी कहा गया है कि प्रोनाउन इज सेकंड नाउन इन पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच इन द कंडीशन व्हेन इट इज यूज्ड इन द स्टार्टिंग ऑफ द सेंटेंस एज a noun it is used. Pronoun is also divided into some different parts according to the number and person of the subject. Pronoun first person का pronoun, second person pronoun और third person का pronoun, तीन अलग अलग स्थितियां होती हैं। अब नाउन कैसे प्रोनाउन को पैदा करता है? तो किसी भी संज्ञा के बदले में यह जब प्रयोग होता है तो अकॉर्डिंग टू द पर्सन इन द सेंटेंस इट इज इंडिकेटेड एज फर्स्ट पर्सन प्रोनाउन आई, we, and both of the first person pronouns I and we also produce some different other pronouns, as I produces me, my, mine, and we produce our and us. Second person you is alone in English literature, but it also produces your and yours. Third person pronoun they, he, she, it, this, etc. That is also pronoun, but it is called demonstrative pronoun. It is not connected with person and number. I is first person singular number pronoun, but treated as plural number. About I it is told by some scholars that I is itself noun also, but counted in pronoun. If it is pronoun, and how it produce some different pronouns. We, first person plural number, it also produce two different pronouns, our and us. In third person pronoun, they is plural number pronoun. It also produces them, their, and theirs. Except this, he, she, it, this, all are third person singular number pronouns used in place of noun. If you are going to describe somebody, frequently you cannot write or speak the name of that person. So, pronoun is needed. It has own importance in parts of speech because it is used in place of noun. Pronouns of singular number and plural number all are divided according to the subject, according to the doer of the sentence. And now, how it is connected with noun? In a few seconds, I want to describe the relation of noun and pronoun also. Noun is related with pronoun because in noun संज्ञाओं में भी फर्स्ट पर्सन, सेकेंड पर्सन, थर्ड पर्सन के संज्ञा होते हैं एंड एज अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट प्रोनाउन इज डिवाइडेड हियर. इफ noun has no importance in grammatical formation, how pronoun can be introduced? Previously, I have told you that all parts of speech are interconnected. Noun is connected with pronoun, and noun and pronoun both are connected with adjective. In this way, all parts of speech are interconnected. Pronoun has also its own importance in parts of speech. संज्ञा और सर्वनाम दोनों ही अपना अलग अलग महत्व रखते हैं और बिना एक के दूसरे का कोई महत्व, कोई वजूद नहीं. इस तरह फ्रेंड्स, tomorrow we shall discuss on third part of speech, adjective. But in between these parts, some sort of instruction of other parts also will be given by myself. Please like and subscribe these videos. Thank you.